God of CRM is doing the impossible things, changing lives. You can watch the demonstration of the mighty power of God. You can see demons oppressed being set free. You can see the sick being healed. You can see the mighty move of God's power. People receiving the impartation of the Holy Ghost wherever you are in Douala, all around Cameroon. Rochna, to Bonaberry.
To get up and pray.
Yes.
And you will not see anybody. It will tell you that angels are working with you, but you did not know. So I will guide you so that you understand God. You hear me? Yes. So as you go, the river that is close to your compound like that,
yes.
go and spray this water there.
So
Give thanks to Jesus Christ. Because there are powers in that water. That's what is happening. There are powers there. So it's over today. When you go just pray
now and experience God's power. Watch now and receive the touch of the Holy Ghost. You can watch the mighty move of the demonstration of the Holy Ghost through God's anointed servant, Apostle Salem Emmanuel, wherever you are around Cameroon. Make it a date. Make it a date. That situation. What is the doctor's report? What does the doctor say concerning your situation? I have come to inform you that only Jesus Christ has the final say. Rush now, and experience God's power and experience Jesus Christ moving in the power of the Holy Ghost. Rush now. Jesus says yes to your freedom. Jesus says yes to your healing. Jesus says yes to your deliverance. Jesus says yes to your breakthrough and salvation in Jesus' name.
When we were in Goma and I go out from January to this celebration. This is hard.
Amen.
The last marriage was when?
Daddy was on last week Wednesday. She's the one, this one, this is my younger sister.
And it's good. That's what I understand. You hold God. That's the word I have for you. If you hold God, nobody will ever raise his hand on you.
Amen.
You know that somebody raised hand on you.
Amen.
Is that it? You don't know. Have you been in a relationship before? Don't worry, you remember. It's okay. Put your hands together.